Layma, could you tell me about the fire alarm?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Fire, beep, 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 beep.
What says beep, beep, beep?
False alarm.
Mm-hmm.
Say beep, beep, beep.
Mm-hmm.
The fireman.
Mm-hmm.
No.
What does the fireman do?
They have this. The one. So tie. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Someone say, you run away. They don't see fireman.
Go to the fireman, right?
The mommy, they have Sima.
Mommy will help you?
Yeah, they go outside.
Uh-huh. We have to go outside.
Down the round.
Who will cry?
Shower.
Shalva, will you cry?
No.
No, you won't cry?
Daddy, somehow Daddy, just Daddy.
You're gonna kiss Dolly? What about Shalva? We have to get Shalva out.
Yeah.
Who will take Shalva?
Mommy.
And what about Abba?
Yes. Abba did this same the one.
Abba will take you and run.
Yeah. Abba did the same the bit hat.
Mm-hmm.
The so way up.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. What's red though?
You want to see the video of you talking about the fire?
Yeah.